Hey everyone, if you're new to iPhone or if you're not sure how to add contacts on your iPhone, in this simple video I wanted to show you how to do it. And there's a couple of ways to do it. One is the contact icon right on top. So if you click that, it opens up the contact page, or you could press the phone icon, the green phone icon that should be on your dock on the bottom. If you press that, it brings up the same page if you're on the contact icon right in the middle here. So I'm under the contact icon and it's the same as the other page I showed you. And all you have to do is press the plus sign right on top. And this is the page where you add a new contact. So you could add an example contact here. So you could just type in a first name and last name here. You could do company. You could even add a photo from a photo you take or from your photo library, and then go ahead and add a phone number and an email. Those are all the options that you have here. And then when you press done, it's all done. I could always go ahead and edit it and add address, birthdays, all these other things. Or I could add a custom field here, and then I could have these options available as well. I'm gonna press cancel. So this is how you add a contact just like that. Another way to do it is if you could go under the keypad, if you type in the person's number here, you could then add number and then say create new contact, and this will bring up a contact page, the new contact page, the exact one you were on right now. So the first method was just on the contact page, pressing the plus sign and adding a contact that way. The other one is if someone just puts in their number here, you could then press add contact, and then you could choose new contact or existing contact to add their contact to your iPhone. I hope you found this useful. Please give this video a like and subscribe to this channel for a lot more easy to follow tech videos just like this one. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.